In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove your phone number or delete your phone number from your login details on Facebook. So if you normally use your phone number to log in and also you have maybe another email, you can go ahead and delete the phone number from a Facebook profile. To do that, it is pretty much simple. Just head over to this profile picture and then tap on it to display the menu. From menu, go ahead and tap on settings here. And this will open Meta Account Center. Go ahead and tap on it. And then under this, scroll down until you see the option called your information and permissions. If you tap on this information and permissions, you'll be able to see your contact information. As you can see, I have two. I have my phone number, which is this hidden, and then I have this, email. I like to go ahead and delete this phone number so that I only remain with the email. To do so, go ahead and tap on contact info. And from here, choose what you want to delete, whether you want to delete the email or you want to delete the phone number. So for my case, I want to delete this mobile number. I'll go ahead and tap on it. And then you can see I can now delete the phone number by choosing delete number here. So if I go ahead and tap on delete number, I'm told that I'll no longer be able to use this number to log in. However, should this phone number be only the contact that I have on my Facebook, I'll not be able to delete it. So I'll have to go ahead and provide an alternative login details or login address that I can use. For my case, I already have an email, so there is no problem. So I'll go ahead and tap on delete. And then it will go ahead and remove the phone number. For my case, I can't delete this because I haven't used this device for a while, and therefore I'll make this change later. So by tapping on that, you'll have deleted your phone number. So that's how you delete your phone number from Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.